How to recover Instagram account without an email. So hello guys, today I'm going to talk about how to recover Instagram account without an email. If you don't have access to the original email or phone number, bypassing the standard login screen directly to the support portal is your best option. So what you have to do is open one of your web browser, for example, Google Chrome or Safari. Then go to Instagram hacked support page. Go to the website. Now select my account was hacked or I can't log in and tap next, and then enter your Instagram username when prompted to identify your account. Then select try another way or no longer have access to these at the bottom of the screen. Then choose the take a video selfie option and then enter an accessible active email address where Instagram can contact you. Now follow the on-screen instructions to record a short video of your face looking in different directions. Instagram will review your video and email you a password reset link, usually within 24 to 72 hours. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.